In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage data controls in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know how to sign in safely, clean up your chat history, adjust privacy preferences, manage memory features, and, if needed, delete your account. Start by opening your browser and searching for Claude AI. Look for the official site in the results and click through. You should land on the home page where you can sign in. Choose Continue with Google or enter your email. Then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the sign-in. Keep your credentials private and only sign in on trusted devices. Once you're in, let's tidy up individual conversations. In the sidebar, hover your mouse over any chat you want to remove. You'll see 3 dots appear. Click those, then choose Delete. Confirm if prompted. This is helpful for quickly removing a single conversation you don't want to keep. If you want to remove multiple chats at once, open your full history by clicking View All in the chat sidebar. Click Select, then check the boxes next to each chat you want to delete. When you're ready, click Delete and confirm. This bulk action saves time and helps you keep your workspace organized. Next, let's adjust your privacy settings. Look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click your user profile. This will show your initials or your name. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Privacy tab. Here, find the option labeled Help Improve Claude and toggle it off. Turning this off limits whether your content is used to help improve the service, which can be a good choice if you prefer more control over how your data is handled. Now move to the Capabilities section. Locate the option to generate memory from chat history and toggle it off. Memory can help personalize responses by remembering details from past chats. But if you'd rather not have new memories created from your conversations, turning this off stops that going forward. Finally, if you've decided to leave the service, go to the Account section. Click Delete Account. Read the confirmation carefully, as this is a permanent action and will remove your data associated with the account. If you're certain, proceed with the deletion. That's it. You've signed in, cleaned up chats individually and in bulk, configured privacy preferences, disabled chat history-based memory, and seen how to delete your account. Take a moment to review your choices to make sure they reflect the level of privacy and control you want.